So here's a quick example of simplifying a complex fraction. And in this example specifically, it looks a little bit overwhelming, but what's actually going to happen is we're going to break it down into smaller parts. They're going to cancel out, and we're going to be left with something that looks a lot less stressful. So what I'm going to start doing first is rewrite this by getting rid of the giant fraction bar in the middle. And what we're going to do is essentially when you're dividing by two fractions, you're going to multiply the top half by the reciprocal of the bottom. And what that's going to look like are these are going to switch, and we're just going to multiply that new fraction on the top half. So we can rewrite the top half unchanged, 4x plus 16 divided by x squared plus 2x minus 8, and multiply that by the flipped version of the bottom half of the fraction. And now, so x squared minus 4 is going to be on top, and x plus 2 squared will now be on the bottom. And going forward, we're just going to break these up into smaller pieces. So if I look at 4x plus 16, I can take a 4 out of both of those terms. So I'll be left with 4x plus 4. And on the bottom half, actually x squared plus 2x minus 8, we can factor that. So I'm going to rewrite this over here real quick just so it's a little bit neater. We are looking for something that adds to a positive 2 and multiplies to a negative 8. And I can break up 8 and 1 and 8, 2 and 4. And in this case, really only 2 and 4 works. So if I take a negative 2 and I add 4 to it, it's going to give me a positive 2. So we can also rewrite that as x minus 2, x plus 4. I'm just going to rewrite that over on the left. And we can just continue breaking things down on the right. X squared minus 4, that's the difference of squares. So immediately I know that can be x minus 2, x plus 2. And on the bottom half of the fraction, we have x plus 2 squared. That's just two of them. So I can rewrite that as x plus 2 and x plus 2. So already you're noticing we have repeating terms. We can cancel them out. So this is my favorite part. We have x plus 4. This cancels out. We have x minus 2 over here. And we have x plus 2 over here. So actually our final answer is just going to be 4 divided by x plus 2, which in the long run, that is a lot less stressful looking than our original problem.